there. As you might recall, last year we raced these Azteks in the desert.
Here he goes! Derek going for the lead!
Oh man! Oh no!
Tony Angelo runs into a big stump!
And I've been thinking about it. I want to do it again. I want to do something fun, but something a little different. Something with a little different vibe. Last year we raced Pontiac Azteks in the desert. This year we're doubling the amount of cars and we're doing it with Pontiac Vibes. They're all equipped with a 50 shot of nitrous and Nitto tires because we're going to be drag racing them for some reason into a rallycross. We're going to be doing asphalt road course, and then obviously we have to do a short track dirt course thing that they shouldn't be on. But nonetheless, we're going to see what these things are really made of.
Yeah, there it is.
But since we're out here at the Salt Flats, I'm gonna set the world's first speed record on a Pontiac Vibe. You know where the bathroom's at?